Oh, insert now the forceps. Yung sasama sa forceps, that one that goes with the forceps is now the epihyodeus. Epihyodean, epihyodeus. Then lift the cocularis. Lift.
Di cocularis.
This is now the cocularis. At the back is now the interarcual. Clean. Remove the fascia.
Wala, kailangan makapit lang.
Pero sa time, kompleto yung klase ko ng ganyan eh. Nilagay nila sa
YouTube.
Ewan ko, sa pagbubuhan mo. Yan. So, tawag din eh, you call this now as the preorbitalis. So, preorbitalis. This one. And this triangular muscle, which will
Ayun eh.
be
Gano'ng katagal
exposed,
video nito?
is now the levator maxillae superioris. Lift now the eye. Lift. Then, we're going to expose now a very thin muscle. So you call this as the preorbitalis. Craniomaxillaris to. This is craniomaxillaris. Preorbitalis. And then this my muscle at the angle of the jaw, quadratomandibularis. Preorbitalis plus the quadratomandibularis will form the adductor mandibulae. So this one is common coracarqual. Mandibularis, and this one intermandibularis. Cut. Always use the back of the scalpel. There. So this is now the intermandibularis. The muscle immediately at the back, which is different in color, is the interhyodeus. What will be exposed now is a pair of diverging muscle, coracomandibularis.
Ang cute naman ng pagkakapit.
Nag-insinuate ka na naman.
Yung kurako.
Ayun. You see now the line?
Yes.
That the muscle immediately dorsal to it. Kasi
Different
it should be
color,
like that. Yes. No, not different color. This is now the demarcation. This is ang coracohyoid. And then you carry it. The muscle now, that's the deepest there, is the coracobranchial.
Ang galing niya naman.